Let's see in practice how to calibrate Vaisala HMT330 with a recently calibrated HM70.
Start by opening the transmitter housing and connecting the cable to the service port. Make sure that both instruments have stabilized at the same temperature. Next, power on the HM70 meter. 2 humidity readings will appear on the display, one from the handheld probe and one from the fixed transmitter. The difference between the two will also be displayed. Press the Adjust button on the HMT330 motherboard. The LED light will begin flashing. To complete the calibration, simply follow the prompts on the HM70's display. Press OK. Now select RH. This time we select No. This is simply verifying that the sensors are set to atmospheric pressure and not to different pressures. The adjustment mode indicator at the top of the screen will begin flashing. At this point, it's best to place the probe side by side some distance away from you, since your body heat and the moisture from your breath will affect the accuracy of the calibration process. Once both readings have stabilized, press Adjust on the indicator, then press to same as RH and confirm by pressing Yes. The calibration process is now complete.
You can download documents on these and other calibration options from our website.